Hi, I'm Cameron with Fiberglass, Florida. Today I got a few different putties that we sell, and all of these putties here are aimed at filling holes and mainly doing cosmetic repairs on your boat, which is really common. Dock rash, little chips in the gel coat, a lot of these things will happen on your boat. First, this is Adtech P14. It's a nice creamy filler for doing nice cosmetic repairs. You can fill in small little air voids and that kind of thing. Adtech formulated this product to sand at the same rate as gel coat. So when you go to sand it and the surrounding area, everything will sand at the same rate. And so you'll be able to get a nice even repair when you go back to apply the gel coat later. This is Adtech P77. This is also a nice, smooth, strong fairing putty. Can be used for filling small holes and voids and that kind of thing. What makes this product unique is that it will actually bond to epoxy, or polyester obviously, and then you can gel coat over top of it as well. So that's a popular product for that. Some of the other ones here, a cheaper option, this is Dynalite. It's made by 3M. It's commonly called Bondo. It also kicks off with the BPO Cream hardener like the Adtech products do. It's a little on the cheaper side. Maybe more prone to absorb water and shrink a little more than the Adtech products. This is Dynaglass. It's also a 3M product. This product's green because it's got a lot of milled fibers in it. So this one, if you had like a deep gouge, it'd be better for filling that. It has a little more structure to it. It's not gonna be super easy to sand, and you're not gonna get a nice, pretty, porous-free surface when you're done sanding it, but you'll have a very strong repair. This is our fairing compound that we package in-house. It kicks off with MEKP. It's the only product up here that does catalyze with MEKP hardener. This is a really nice fairing compound. It is very similar to a USC fairing product that used to be on the market. It's very smooth, it cures really quickly. You can't layer it up thicker than 1/4 of an inch, but as long as you stay under that, it's a really nice product. This next product here is Evercoat. This is really popular with painters. They need to have an extremely fine surface that's not porous free at all. So a lot of times people will use these products and then they'll follow back up with this Evercoat. It's actually called a polyester glazing putty. It cures with BPO Cream hardener, and it'll fill in all the tiny porosity and pinholes that'll show up on your finished paint. This last one is a 3M product as well. This one is unique compared to the other products because it is okay to use below the water line. It's a vinyl ester based product, also kicks off with BPO Cream hardener. Also the most expensive product that's on the table here. But it's very nice, it's super smooth and does a really nice finished product when you're done. There's a lot to all this, so really the best thing to do is come by and talk to some of our knowledgeable sales staff, and we'd be more than happy to get what product is right for you.